There, I've been drawing away in color here and just realized I forgot to turn the camera on. April 14th, 2025 here. I'm working on the coloring in the allegorical sea monster I drew a couple of days ago. Above the houses in the tree in Monteith, Angus, Scotland. Drawing extemporaneously. That's right. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Shi. I don't know what this was. Like a small airplane of some sort. Like a toy, I think. And a seagull, I believe that was. Some red in there. I have red here. Just a bit of sharpen. Oh, orange. That'll work. That's okay. All right. Okay, now, what is next? So I was thinking this anthill actually kind of looks like a cloud, which is okay. Yeah. Move this clamp here. Oops. I was going to do this one in yellows. The color of cowardice, which makes me think of President Trump and the late dictator Qaddafi of Libya. Almost looks like a bird wing here, but I'll give it some green to give it more sea look. You can always watch Finding Nemo. See some fine cartoonish of sea life. Some dark outline and ink, maybe dark green ink. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Okay, that's probably enough for right now.